The government has finally bowed to pressure to implement the High Court conservatory orders issued last week to restore TV stations whose transmission was switched off pending the hearing of a case challenging the switch-off. In complying with the order, the Communications Authority of Kenya has restored KTN and NTV signals, with Citizen TV transmission yet to be switched on. The development coming just a few hours after activist Okiya Omtahtah sued Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i, ICT Cabinet Secretary Joseph Musheru, and the Communications Authority of Kenya for defying a court order to switch on the 3 TV stations. The 3 TV stations were switched off late last month over their coverage of NASA leader Raila Odinga's oathing ceremony. Activist Okiya Omtahtah then rushed to court and acquire orders that not only ordered the government to restore all transmission by the 3 media houses with immediate effect, but also banned the government from interfering with all television transmission before the hearing of the case. However, the government continued to ignore the court order until it was sued for contempt of court for failing to act within the law. Meanwhile, a warrant of arrest issued against Embakasi East Member of Parliament Babu Owino has been lifted. Senior Principal Magistrate Martha Mutuku lifted the order after the court heard that the MP failed to appear in court because he was attending another matter. In the case, Babu and his bodyguard Fanuel Owino were charged with assaulting a parking attendant in Nairobi's Westlands area, causing him bodily harm. And Kisii High Court has dismissed an election petition challenging the election of Professor Sam Ongeri as Kisii Senator in the August 8, 2017 election. Justice Winfrida Okwanyi upheld Ongeri's victory on grounds that the petitioners failed to demonstrate that irregularities witnessed in the election did affect the integrity of the entire election results as announced by the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission. In the petition, voters Charles Orito and Geroke Ogake claimed that the electoral body IBC did not use credible voters register in conducting the exercise, which was marred with irregularities. Ben Chumba reporting for Scales of Justice.